baddest DJ.
So today is day off again. So I'm with my daughter Michaela. We're going to the park to do tobogganing part 2. So look at this. Yung mga walkway niya is clean. They put salt already so that yung mga stroller can pass through very easily. Yes. Yan, ganyan lang yan yung mga snow. Naka-ipon sa labas ng kalsada yan, no? Kasi yung mga daanan, they put salt. Salter ang tawag doon, salter. Look at this. Parang pilapil sa atin. Sa ating mga putik. It's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Weather is -8. Feels like -10. Not too cold. It's good.
Saturday, January 20.
It's Saturday, not January. It's February 20. Go on, Nikki. Turn right. Whew. So white, Nikki.
Because of the sun.
Yeah,
But it's still cold outside.
I know.
Look at that big old sun. There's no outside.
Yeah. So look at that. Whoa, look. That's because of the snowstorm.
So, we're almost there to the park.
Yeah.
Because from last time we were at the splash pad and there.
So it's only 3 minutes walk from our apartment. It's 3 minutes and 59 seconds at the moment. So we're in the school right now. So we used to play here during summer,
September.
and now it's winter. Look at the snow.
No.
Yes. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember last time of red logs of the snow?
It's actually negative -5 right now. So it's not that cold. Right, Nikki?
We're here at the park.
Yeah.
We're gonna do some tobogganing.
Whoa.
No.
Look.
No. Hi guys. Hi. At the park. The snow is deep. Deep. Go.
Whoa, look at this guy. So beautiful.
Hi guys. Hi guys. We're at the park.
Come on, Mickey, let's do tobogganing. Come on.
Oh, I'm coming. Daddy, wait for me. Daddy. You should wear snow pants because if the snow melts on your pants, it will get wet. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, too much snow, eh? Woo! How's it?
Good.
Woo.
Can I do it again?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I forgot the difference.
Yan, so ganyan. Back and forth lang yan. Wow. Tong, wow, wow.
George. What doing?
Because I forgot to turn on the video.
Once again, this is Alfred of Sir Alfred TV.
Come on, do the tutorial again. Come on, go on.
Okay.
I forgot to turn on the video.
Silly Daddy.
Yeah, I'm so silly.
Daddy.
Come on. Yeah, so Michaela will teach you how to do the tobogganing, guys. Tobogganing 101. Don't slide first, okay? Teach them first.
You sit on this slide like this.
I introduce yourself first.
My name is Michaela, and we're going to do some steps how to do some tobogganing. First, sit down on your slide like this one,
Okay.
and then you just push yourself like this, then you slide down.
Woo! Oh, wait a second. How are you?
Good. And once again, this is Alfred of Sir Alfred TV.
How's the tobogganing?
Good.
Good. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Okay. So what can you say to your friends who wants to do tobogganing as well?
Who wants to do tobogganing as well?
If you want to do tobogganing, follow my tutorial.
If you want to do tobogganing, follow my tutorial. And
Okay.
once again, this is Alfred of Sir Alfred TV.
Woo! Look at this, guys. Ang ganda. It's already 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperature check, it's 10. Oh, minus 8 degrees Celsius. Very nice weather. Look at this. Sunset. Because during winter, the sunset is early compared to the summer, you know, guys. Whew. What's that?
Now can you relax?
Yeah, relax first. The weather is so nice, guys. Look at this. Beautiful. But it's still cold. -8. We're here in the park right now. Full of snow. Can you take a video one more for me?
Yeah, it's playing. Yeah.
So this is Tobogganing 101. This is for you. Ready? Okay. Wear your mask. And go.
1, 2, 3, go.
One more.
Okay.
Ready? Go. Go, go, go. Woo! Nice. You want more? Okay, last one.
Last one, then your turn.
Yeah. Woo!
Your turn, Dad.
Okay. One more. No, no. Ganda oh. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's go.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yay.
One finger.
Just hold, hold. No?
Yeah, my turn.
Nice. You want more? Okay, last one. Woo!
Your turn, Dad.
Okay. So hard to walk, right?
Yeah, because the snow's deep.
Tired?
Yeah. Why?
Yay. Come on.
No, I didn't get
Huh?
Your glove just dropped. You didn't notice?
Let's go.